Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So today I'm really excited because we have a new exhaust coming to the channel. Those of you who have been watching my videos know that I've been shopping for potentially a replacement for this car. Well, as much as I love the M8 competition, I think I'd rather keep this car considering the price differential. This car, you know, by any other measure, if you weren't comparing it to an M8, is badass. It's fast enough, it handles great, and I mean, it's basically just a German muscle car. And you know, like I've said before, it has the capabilities of supercars from just a couple of years ago. So, and plus it sounds better than the M8. I never showed you guys this, but it's got some nice accents to it. So this car has the carbon fiber package. I don't know if you can see that there. I do like the blacked out grille, but you have carbon fiber on the front here, and you also have carbon fiber right there. It's got the carbon fiber side mirrors, carbon fiber all along the roof, and you've also got carbon fiber along the rear splitter here. Now, it's all dirty because the roads have been salted to my dismay, and it's about to become even more badass. Now, I want to pardon again the state of my garage. It's March 1st. I'm filming this video before 6 in the morning. I've been really busy lately. I'm pretty much in the office almost every day. So the only time I even get a chance to film these videos is early in the morning when my kids are still upstairs sleeping. My wife is gone and the garage is kind of dirty, but I'm not worried about that. I usually do a cleaning with a thorough washing of my garage around April. I wait till April because if I clean it now, it might snow again, and next thing you know, we're dragging more dirt into the garage. All right, so before we talk about the main purpose of this video, which is the exhaust that I just ordered, I wanted to give you guys an update. So there's something else that I just got in the mail that I'm kind of excited about, and it has to do with the Audi R8. So the supercar, the king of my garage, is still at my parents' house, and we finally have some warmer weather, even though they did kind of salt the roads, so I'm a little pissed off about that. But I really can't wait any longer, so I'm probably going to bring the R8 home. And in the last few months, I actually got a new license plate for it, so I want you guys to check it out because it just arrived in the mail. So here we are, the new plate for my R8. I think that message is perfect for the R8 because that car really is a riot. Now, I had some other ideas that I wanted to use, and when I went on to the Illinois Secretary of State website, I tried a lot of different options, and a lot of them were taken, or you had to add a number next to it because somebody else already used it. And some of them were just awkward, they wouldn't fit, or they wouldn't fit the, fulfill the rules. But with this, it was perfect. I could not ask for a better message for my car. Okay, so let's get on to the main topic of today's video. What I've got here in front of me is an invoice, and it's an invoice for a brand new exhaust that I just ordered. I will share what I paid for it later on, probably in a future video. The exhaust is an FI exhaust. Now, probably many of you have heard of this company. They're a premier company that makes exhausts for a lot of different cars, supercars, exotics, performance cars, Mercedes, BMW, and the list goes on. So I've never ordered an FI exhaust before, but I've seen a lot of videos. I've heard a lot about their product. They have a really good reputation. So I am really excited about this. I'd also like to give a shout out to Ben from RG Sport. Even though I ended up ordering directly from FI, he, while he was on vacation, was able to find out that there was an exhaust available. So the exhaust that I ordered is actually in stock right now. And that's perfect for me because I'm not very patient. I really don't like to wait months or weeks to get a new product. So they have this exhaust in stock and I'm pretty excited about it. So it's supposed to be getting shipped to me sometime next week, and it's actually coming from Taiwan, so it might take another week after that to arrive. So what exhaust did I just order? So here it is, the FI valved exhaust. This is made of high quality mandrel bent steel. What you see here is a front pipe, a mid X pipe, and then you've got the axle back portion with a muffler and valve. That exhaust is going to be going on to the M850i, which already sounds really good for a stock car. And I believe that this exhaust will take the sound of this car to the next level, and I cannot wait. I also think there are very few people in the world who even have this exhaust on an M850i. So it's pretty rare, and I think it's gonna make my car, or at least I'm hoping it's gonna make my car sound a lot more exotic and just more exciting to drive. Getting a new exhaust is exciting for me. It's kind of an event because I don't do a lot of mods, but exhausts are the main mod that I like to do. The last time I got an exhaust was for my R8, and I'll make a future video about that. So this is kind of, you know, it's been a good bit. It's been probably a year and a half since I've gotten an exhaust, and I've been driving this car stock since December 2022. Now, the only thing is my preference, every exhaust I've ever gotten has been valveless and mufflerless, usually with an X pipe. That's my preference. I actually prefer the simplicity of not having a valve. In this case though, I am getting a valved exhaust. So that's probably a good thing because it's my daily driver. I sometimes drive it early in the morning. I take my family around in it. I take it to work. So I probably want to be able to kind of shut it down a bit from time to time. So we'll see. But anyway, I am really excited and I look forward to making some more videos. So when that exhaust arrives, I will definitely be making a video on the day of its install, and there's going to be a lot of sound. Okay, God bless everybody, and thanks again for watching.